Hey there, it's Martin here from SwedishEmbedded.com. And if you're an embedded engineer or a technical professional looking to create courses, or you're looking to create firmware or hardware for embedded systems, then today I'm going to tell you the most important thing that you can do when you're starting a new project. And it's called Refined Marketing Statement. This is going to guide the development of the project, and this is going to be the most important sentence that you create for your project. And it consists of four parts. So we have audience, which would be the target customer base for your product. You have the result that you're going to help them get using your product. And you're going to help them get this result without a typical roadblock that they get that they encounter by using other products, or that they typically stumble across when they try to get the result, by utilizing the new method which you have created for getting this result. And your product plugs into the method. So your product is actually the tactics that plug into the strategy of this method. So let's say, for example, that we want to create a marketing statement for a new way of controlling brushless motors or induction motors. Then we would say that, let's say our audience is car manufacturers. So we're targeting specifically car manufacturers and nobody else. The benefit of the marketing statement is that it's going to be something that attracts your target market, but repels everything else. So if you're clear about your target audience, you can actually create content that will repel all the other audiences that you're not interested in, that would not buy your stuff, and that are not people that you actively set out to help. So that's important, because when you then run ads on Facebook, for example, Facebook is going to optimize your ads and show them to more people that are like the people that watch your ads. So if you can repel everybody else that is not your ideal customer, then Facebook will actually show your ads more to the ideal customers that are more likely to buy from you. So it's very important to get this statement, and it's very important to decide what you're going to target. It's more important to decide what you're going to target than what it is, than what the actual audience is. It's more important to actually have an audience than what this audience is. So let's say we're targeting car manufacturers, and we want to create a statement for a new motor control method. Now we could say it like this. We could say, I help car manufacturers get more performance out of their motors, get more power out of their motors without sacrificing battery time, by utilizing a new field-oriented control method for controlling induction motors. And the product would be the actual implementation of that method, the actual software, firmware, libraries, and the actual software or even hardware for implementing this method. But the important thing here is that you're selling the method. First and foremost, you're selling this new method. And when the customer accepts the method, then the product becomes a natural choice for implementing this method. And this is something that some people get wrong sometimes. Most people don't even create this statement, which is as wrong as you can get. But some people put product here, and that is wrong, because if you put product here, then you're not actually, then it becomes really difficult to, craft any marketing messages around this, because the product has many different parts, and the product is very the product is interchangeable. You can essentially take a product and you can replace the product with something else. But the method is much more stable. The method is a strategy that you create for achieving the result. And the strategy is not the same as tactics. The strategy is the framework into which tactics then fit into, and the tactics is the product. So when you have a strategy, you can then swap out the product, and you can use many different products over a period of time without having to change your marketing. So get this statement right, think through this statement, develop this statement. And if you need any help with coming up with this statement, then I strongly encourage you to join my mastermind group, where we meet live. We have live coaching sessions, and you also get, as a bonus, you get access to all the content that I have in my vault. And you can join by going to swedishembedded.com/now. So swedishembedded.com/now. And you'll be asked to register for a monthly price. The price is going to increase every single day So the longer you wait, the bigger is going to be the price. But if you register today, you're going to get today's price, and that's what you're going to pay every month until you cancel. You can cancel anytime, but you can stay as long as you want as well. So go to swedishembedded.com/now and register, and I'll send you an invite to Zoom session, to our next Zoom session, where we're going to do live Q&A, and you can ask questions about embedded systems, about embedded hardware, about embedded software, and about stuff like this, like creating courses and selling products and everything else that goes into like your marketing strategy. So that's it. And thank you for watching. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. I'm looking forward to speaking to you on our live events, and have a good day.